Teachable Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Teachable Affiliate Program, a great way to earn money by promoting a top-tier online course creation platform. You can find links to Teachable in the description below to get started. Teachable is designed for entrepreneurs, educators, and content creators looking to build, market, and sell their own online courses. With a strong focus on helping users create high-quality courses without the need for technical knowledge, Teachable offers a wide range of features, including course creation tools, payment gateways, and student management features that make it one of the best platforms for online education. As an affiliate, Teachable offers a generous commission structure that includes 30% recurring commissions for every sale you refer. This means that for as long as your referred users remain subscribed, you'll continue earning commissions, making this a fantastic program for long-term passive income. The program is perfect for digital marketers, content creators, or anyone with an audience interested in online education and creating their own courses. Teachable also provides affiliate marketing resources, including banners, links, and other tools to help you get started quickly and effectively. One of the key benefits of the Teachable Affiliate Program is its reliable tracking system, which helps you monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings easily. Their dashboard is user-friendly, and they provide real-time analytics so you can optimize your efforts and see results in real time. Plus, they offer weekly payouts, which makes it an attractive option for affiliates looking to earn on a regular basis. Overall, the Teachable Affiliate Program is ideal for anyone in the education or digital marketing space. And its attractive commission rates combined with a great product make it a solid option for generating passive income. If you have an audience interested in creating and selling online courses, this program is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to get started with Teachable and start earning today.